traders, it's Anthony here looking at the Aussie Kiwi into the Asian session today, Friday the 27th of October. So we've got this interesting price action. Let's just have a look at it on the monthly. I've just marked up these candle wicks. So we've got this liquidity pool resting up through here. So we've got these candles and stops resting above. These guys shorted, and I'm thinking that this is taking those stops out at the moment. It's range bound, it's trading at the high of the range, and I'm looking for a possible short opportunity. Now, if we have a look at this, we can see that we have three lower highs, slightly. Yeah, lower highs, lower lows. We've got this break of this previous low, convincing short. Now, why I think this is going to sell is due to the fact that it's created this range. We've got these highs here. So it builds a huge liquidity pool above these highs, takes it out once, sells off, comes back up, rebalances. But look at this, look at the volume, look at the momentum behind this. That takes a lot of capital to move the market like that. So liquidity grab, big sell, trades back up, rebalances. So my thinking with this is, if we consider this candle here, and we'll call that our distribution. Let's trade it back up into it. Now here's the thing with this. This is a weekly time frame. We've got this significant imbalance on the weekly time frame here. So it trades up with a vengeance. Got nothing left and right of this candle back into this distribution. So I'm thinking, if anything, I'm going to be short. But yeah, look, there's no real trend going on. These lower highs here, we've got higher lows here. It's not an ideal. Look at this trend, for example, here. Well, you know, it's a no-brainer. That's definitely bullish. That trades off, and then we get this more or less consolidation on the higher time frame going on. But anyway, as I mentioned, just having a look at this price action here, I think my bias would be definitely a sell opportunity given the range. And the thing that's really grabbing me, as I mentioned, is this. So we've got these highs here, these highs here. This is building liquidity above. I don't want to analyze this thing to death, but you've got to build a case. And, you know, there's a case for and against. But what I'm seeing more than anything is this. And this tap into liquidity, move back up in, rebalance. And we've got this weekly imbalance, daily imbalance. And I'm thinking that, if anything, this fills this, you know, we've got this price range here. So have a look. Low to high. Okay, so we've got this price swing. So every price swing, you want to expect some kind of retrace into it. So we've got this price swing. It retraces. This price swing, it retraces. You know, the market rebalances. This price swing, it retraces, etc. We've got this price swing, it retraces. Well, now we've got this price swing. Hope this makes sense, and I'm thinking a move back down into these levels here. All right, so if anything, I'm short the Aussie Kiwi at this point. You know, I go in with a market sell here, stop above this, go for broke with that, as I always do. Click the link below, guys, and jump on board our Telegram group. It's free. So I'd be looking for a T1 here. That's where I would be looking to take 2/3 of this position off the table, right? So it trades down to the high of this imbalance, and I think that's a fairly reasonable argument. What else can I say? So it retraces here, and who knows, I mean, it could head north, but if we take 2/3 of our position off here, let me just mark that up, T1, and that will bring you into the money. 2/3 of a position, T1, and then pull your stop loss down to slightly above this high here. And that's definitely in the money. That's a winning trade at that point, and 100% risk-free. Anything after that is a bonus. Your stop gets taken out, you've made money. If it continues down, well, it's happy days. Now, here's the thing. We'll grab this. This is 1-to-1. This is 2-to-1 risk-reward. That's ideal target 2, just above this these lows here. So there's a T2 if you wanted to look at scaling out. And then, honestly, guys, look, this is my target area down in here. This low down in here, that's a target, and that's not a bad risk reward. But by this time, you're well and truly in the money. So yeah, I mean, I think that more or less wraps it up with my take on the Aussie Kiwi for this Asian session. little bit of a retrace, and yeah. So with that, hope you have a great day. Love to hear your comments. Say something, and yeah, we'll catch you in the next video.